In the Splashmaps office, we've got maps everywhere. This video is a short guide on how to look after
paper
them.
maps that I've used on various trips. They tend not to get cared about, but they do come in these card covers, which protects them a bit. If you were to go out walking, you might choose to use one of these. Of course, my habits have changed. Some maps are worth protecting a bit more. Slightly better and careful treatment. These ones in their own paper envelopes, and they survive very nicely inside there. From 1946, they're both fabric maps and coming card covers. They've lasted very well the period. Decent map these days doesn't need that level of care at all. These two have got lots of pen marks on from my recent jaunts around the South Downs and the Stockbridge area, and they will just go in with the rest of my weatherproof kit. Generous helping of Grangers. Make sure that they keep their weatherproof nature.